And basically what we're going to do is explain to you the life and times of Ettore Majorana, and from when he was born to when he disappeared. The play is set, I think, about 6 years after he disappeared, but intertwined with this historical time frame of Ettore Majorana. We are going to highlight all of the, or at least many of the Sicilian literary greats that were either born or were living during Majorana's time, and then interspersed with that, we have a few Sicilian gems that I'm going to sing for you. First one is by Rosa Ballestieri, who was one of the ladies that was born during Majorana's time. And she was born at a very difficult time. These were very difficult times between 2 world wars, the Depression, and so on. Rosa Ballestieri basically wrote this song about canto e cundu e candu. I sing and I tell stories. I tell stories and I sing. And basically that's what we're doing tonight, is telling a story. I'm going to do the singing. This song here, basically she says, tonight I want to run with the wind to open the doors to the story. Tonight I want to, but for a moment, give life to the past and to the memories. Tonight, with the burning flame of love, we dig a hole, I dig a hole, I dig a hole for all the pain and suffering. Canto e cundu. Stasera vai a coro con vento, a grapri portiti la storia. Stasera voglio dare un momento, la vita, lo passato e la memoria. Stasera con la vampa di l'amore, sa una fossa allo dolore. C'è più dolore, c'è più tormento, la gioia e amore nell'umanità. Non è lo pianto che cambia lo destino, non è lo scanto che ferma lo cammino. Grapuli pugna, condurita, resto co sogno, scoro la vita. Canto e cundu, canto e candu, qui non perdere lo conto. Lo drume benedice non è cammino, ma con una mano ne conto un barrino. E vai ancora con va lo vento, cercare pace solo un momento. Voglio spaccare leggeri, di fare piovere amori. C'è cosa inganna, c'è cosa comanda, da con silenzio molto sinistra. È lupo che dica in forza di potenti, è lo silenzio che ammazza gli innocenti. Grapuli pugna, conto li vita, resto co sogno, cerco la vita. Canto e cundu, canto e candu, qui non perdere lo conto. In questo mondo quando la coscienza si schifia ma pellicci attesciati. Tempi d'abusi di fame e di guerra, che cibo mezzo lì malannati. Lacrime di cangi per quanti, la mia innocenza si la sparterono tanti. La mala gente, le prepotenti, tanti su tanti di sta società. Non è l'amore che cresce con ogni panna, malupa buri kasparti ko kumana, krapuli punya kundulita, resu kusunu, jago la vita, cante kundu. Kunde kandu, minum verde, lupundu. La 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 la.
The subject of today's play, Ettore Majorana, was born in Catania, Sicily in 1906. At the time, Italy was just a little over 40 years old. Meucci's invention of the telephone was only 30 years prior. By 1912, at the age of 6, the young Majorana was already showing signs of exceptionality with his ability to play chess. He already understood the role of each piece: the king, the queen, the knight, the rook, the castle, and directions each could travel. Then there were the pawns, the masses, with their limited ability to advance, only to be sacrificed for king and queen. Majorana already could anticipate an opponent's next move. Interestingly enough, as an aside, there's an opening move in chess called the Sicilian defense. From 1914 to 1918, World War I ensued. Majorana was from 8 to 12 years of age. He was a very shy boy, but his early signs of genius were on full display in the classroom, as he was already able to multiply 3-digit numbers in his head. Quick, what's 374 times 243? The young Majorana would crawl under his desk and scream out the answer. On January 8, 1921, the great Leonardo Sciascia, whose novel is the basis for today's play, was born in Racalmuto, Sicily. In 1922, Majorana was 16 years of age, and that year saw the rise of the fascist dictator Benito Mussolini.
Maledetto momento aggravivo l'occhio in terra da st'inverno, sti 20 anni di tormento, colori sempre in guerra, notti e giorno, terra che non senti, che non vuoi capire, che non dici niente, vedendomi morire, terra che non tieni, come vuoi partire, e niente ci doni di farli tornare. E cangi chiani nao, e cangi chiani nao. Land that doesn't listen, that doesn't understand, that says nothing, seeing me die. Land that doesn't belong to those who want to leave. And I cry, Nina, oh, 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 oh.
By 1927, at the age of 21, Majorana was an engineer. The great Enrico Fermi encouraged him to become a physicist, noting his genius. In 1929, Majorana obtained a degree in theoretical physics and was awarded first-class honors for his thesis, The Quantum Theory of Radioactive Nuclei. Majorana's literary heroes were William Shakespeare and fellow Sicilian writer and Nobel laureate Luigi Pirandello.
In between there, in 1925, the great writer Andrea Camilleri was born in Porto Empedocle, Sicily. And in 1927, Rosa Ballesteri herself was born in Licata, Sicily, who later became good friends of Sciascia. Theater of the Absurd. Utile dissi che dai all'assari, meglio la morte, noti sto dolori, ai 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 ai, moro 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 moro, sciato di lume cori, l'amore mio zitto, ai 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 ai, moro 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 moro, sciato di lume cori, l'amore mio zitto. Who never told you that I'd ever leave you? I'd rather die than live with the pain. Ay, 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 ay. Better than to die. Better just to end it than ever say goodbye. Ay, 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 ay. Better just to die. Better just to end it than ever say goodbye. La 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
By 1933, Majorana was considered an elite member of a group of physicists from around the world, who included Fermi and Oppenheimer. Now we come to the play. On March 25, 1938, he disappeared under mysterious circumstances after buying a ticket to travel by ship from Palermo to Naples. Now, in the play, the playwright Fabrizio Catalano, who you'll meet at the end of the presentation, brings forward and explores some of the theories about why he may have disappeared, his motivations. There were alternative theories for what happened to him. First of all, he was assassinated, he committed suicide, or he voluntarily disappeared. And so you'll see in the play the exploration of why that may have been.
The great Sicilian poet, Nobel laureate Salvatore Quasimodo, who was just a few years older than Majorana, once wrote his most famous of poems, 3 lines long. Ognuno sta solo sul cuore della terra, trafitto da un raggio di sole, ed è subito sera. Everyone stands alone in the heart of the earth, pierced by a ray of sunshine, and quickly it is night. Usuli sinniva, usuli sinniva, usuli sinniva, domani donna, si minniva io. io, se me ne vai io, se me ne vai io, non dono chioni. The sun is going down, the sun is going down, the sun is going down. Tomorrow returns. If I were to leave, if I were to leave, if I were to leave, I'll not return. Sicilia, reggia mia, Sicilia, reggia mia, Sicilia, reggia mia, non dono chioni.
Ladies and gentlemen, La Scomparsa di Majorana.